Hey there, my name's Nick. I am from Dial Technologies, and today I'm going to walk through the app SDK integration with Attio that I created called MapConnect. It essentially takes a Mapbox API token and it allows you to map the connections that you have, either companies or people in Attio, directly on a map in Attio. Let's get into it. So, as you can see, this is my Attio workspace, and in order to install this integration, you can come up here to the workspace settings and you can go into your apps here, and you'll see I already have it connected here, but if you scroll down or search, you can click into the integration here. You'll have an install button, so I'm just going to go ahead and uninstall the app so we can show how this actually works. So you come down here and click on MapConnect. You'll get this overview page here, which has some information that you can take a look at. Click on install. This is going to show you that it requires a connection, and this is a workspace connection, which means that this connection is going to be valid for the entire workspace, not on a user by user basis. In order to get started, we'll go over to Mapbox. You will create an API token. So once you log in, you can click on tokens here and copy this token, and then click on connect. We can enter this value in here, click on add connection, and now that it shows that we are connected, we can go back to our Attio workspace here. And the way that this works is you can either bulk select people, or you can select a specific number of people. And then here you've got under the more option, you should have this view on map. And so notice there I selected a couple of people that didn't have a primary location, so it did not render the button. So that's something that you want to look at. We have the primary location here. So if I select this, you should see the view on map. So I'm going to select all of the people here. Currently there's a limit of 250, but that should be getting updated in the Attio SDK shortly. And I'll click view on map. You'll get a toast notification saying that it's processing and creating the map. Obviously, it's got to go fetch all of these people and the locations. And then it's going to create this 2D map here, and it is clustered. So if I click on the dots, you'll see that all of these people are here and they're listed as San Francisco. So instead of the dots being overlapped on the top of each other, they are in that ring format. Likewise here for New York, they're showing that they're in New York, New York. And then if I go out and look at the London, Europe ones, you'll see here, again, this is showing that these people are in Berlin. And maybe if I click on, let's say, another one here, you can see these folks are in Paris. And if I go back, I can essentially do the same thing and go to companies, click on all the companies here, click on view on map. Again, you're going to get this notification telling you that it's processing. And here is the company locations. So this is a bit better experience. You can see if you have more specific locations, either based off of coordinates or based off of cities and states or locality. Here we've got actual addresses, so it's a bit better experience being able to zoom in and see the different locations that are mapped here on the Mapbox. So it's a really easy way for you to kind of take a snapshot of where the people within your CRM or maybe on a given list or companies, where they are located. There's a lot of use cases for this. So one example that I have is I'm attending a conference, and the conference is in San Francisco. So in this case, I could come over here and say, let me break down these clusterings, and I can see, okay, here's San Francisco. There's some people that are nearby, but specifically these people are located, or these companies are located in San Francisco. So I can click and see where they're located at. If I know where I'm staying or where I'm going to be traveling to within the city, then I can see who I'll be passing by, who I could potentially meet up with. I think from a sales standpoint, you can easily see these are the people within my territory and plot them. We can continue to make this customizable to see different information. And also, if you click on the view in Attio, it will open up a new window and it will actually bring you to the Attio record within your system as well. And that is the demo of MapConnect. Any feedback that you have, welcomed. Any feature request, welcome. Just leave that down in the comments below. And yeah, I mean, we're going to be creating more SDK integrations. So if you have other ideas, also keen to hear what those are. Cheers.